Hello friends, welcome to techjaspreet YouTube channel, and today in this video I will show you how you can install Windows 7 or Windows 95 on your Android device. So friends, keep watching this video. So friends, to install Windows 7 or Windows 95 on your Android device, you need some application and files. Don't worry, all the links are given in the video description. So click on the link given in the video description and you will be redirected to these application and files. So friends, first of all we have to download Limbo PC emulator APK application on Android device. Click on the link given in the video description and you will see this page, and now you will see a download button under Limbo PC emulator application. If you cannot see the download button, just sign in using your Google account and the download button will appear. So let's download this Limbo PC emulator APK. Now click on free download. And now the Limbo PC emulator APK has been downloaded on my phone. So let's install it first. Click on the install button. And if you see this message that app installation blocked, don't worry, just click on got it button and now click on done. Now minimize all the apps and now find Play Store app. Here it is. Now go to Play Store settings and simply disable it for this installation. You can enable Play Store app again after the installation of Limbo app. So let's disable it. And now we will install the Limbo app. And now the app is installed on my phone. Before opening this app, we have to download Windows 7 or Windows 95 image disk file. So let's download that file. Again, the links are given in the video description, so you can download Windows 7 ISO file or you can download Windows 95 image file. So the decision is yours, whatever window you want to install on your Android device. But for this tutorial I am going to install Windows 7 and all the steps are same as Windows 7 for the Windows 95 image file. Okay, and now I am going to download this Windows 7 file which is renamed to Tiny7, and let's download it. So here you can see this is how you can download this file from the 4shared website. So I have already downloaded this Tiny7 or Windows 7 image file on my Android device. So I'll show you. Here you can see that this image file is about 700 MB in size and the Windows 95 file is only 108 MB in size. So let's install Windows 7 on my Android device. So let's open Limbo PC app. Here it is. So friends, I have discovered another bug in this Limbo PC application, that if you install x86 version of Limbo PC application, it will crash on your device if your device supports x64-bit applications. So what you need to do is, I have included both the links for Limbo PC application, that is 32-bit as well as 64-bit. So download the Limbo PC app according to your Android architecture. So this is the Limbo PC application interface. And here what you need to do is click on this none icon and click on new. And we are going to install Windows 7. So let's enter Windows 7 and click on create. And now we have to configure all these settings to install and run Windows 7 on Android device. So let's start with the first one, which is CPU board, and in the architecture keep it x86, machine type PC, and in the CPU model select Core Duo, and in the CPU cores select 4, In the RAM memory, I am selecting 1 GB. My device has 4 GB RAM, so that's why I am selecting 1 GB of RAM for this system. But if your Android device has low RAM like 2 GB, you can select small size of RAM for the operating system. And the next one is storage. And in the storage, select the first disk and click on none and click on open. And here select the downloaded ISO or image file for the installation of Windows. So I'm going to search Tiny 7. Here it is. So I'm selecting tiny7.iso file and now scroll down, and in the VG display you have to select STD, and if this setting does not work you can select other settings as well. Now scroll down and here you can see boot settings. In the boot from device you can select hard disk. Now scroll down and in the user interface settings you have to select VNC, and if VNC does not work you can try STL settings, and in the orientation you have to select landscape mode and select keyboard language to English and also tick mark the full screen option, and in the advanced settings you have to select high priority. After tick marking high priority setting, if your phone lags or is not able to run the emulator, you can disable the high priority settings. And now scroll up and now we have to click on this play button. Friends, if Limbo application crash when you click on the play button, just lower the system RAM and it will run perfectly. So let's click on the play button. So friends, as you can see here the Windows is now started, and here we have to select start Windows normally. So I will click on the back button and it will open the keyboard and mouse option. So I will select the keyboard option and select start Windows normally. So friends, as you can see here the Windows is booting now. So friends, now you can see a cursor on your screen. So to use your cursor, click on the back button and select mouse, and now I am able to use the mouse. And now wait for a minute. And now you can see Windows is starting up. Friends, this is a light version of Windows 7, so there will be less programs as compared to original Windows 7. And now we have to click on this user icon. And you can see welcome on your screen. So friends, as you can see on your screen now, I am running Windows 7 on my Android device. I am using Samsung A50 smartphone. You can see on your screen all the things are similar to Windows PC. You can also connect your mouse via USB cable or OTG cable. And as you can see on your screen, there are less programs compared to the Windows PC because this is a light version of Windows 7. So let's open Paint. Friends, you can see I am also able to use Paint on my Android emulator. Now I will show you this Windows properties, and here you can see on your screen there is a shortcut that says About Windows. So I will click on it. You can see on your screen Windows Embedded Standard 7. So this is a light version of Windows 7 as I told you earlier. So as a proof that I am running this Windows 7 on my Android device, I will show you a clip right now. Friends, as you can see in this clip that the Windows 7 is running on my Android device, that is Samsung Galaxy A50 smartphone. Friends, all the links are given in the video description. So friends, this is how you can run Windows 7 on your Android device. If you like this video, please hit the like button, or you can subscribe my channel to get more videos like this. So thanks for watching this video.